Welcome to Emerson Gridley. My name is Jill Crable and I'm the principal.
And I'm Eric Samberg, the assistant principal. Welcome to Emerson Gridley.
Let's meet some of your teachers.
Hi, my name is Mr. Campbell with Middle School Erie Cyber. I am the Social Studies and Career Explorations teacher. My email is scampbell@eriesc.org and my phone number is 814-874-6450, extension 1036. For student activities and hours, we expect for a 5-day week, 25 hours for the whole week, which amounts to about 5 hours a day. And then for activities, we expect about 100 activities for a 5-day week, which comes to about 20 activities per day. Now, this will vary from week to week. So if we have a 4-day week, we expect around 20 hours of work and still 5 hours per day. For activities, we would expect for a 4-day week about 80 activities for that week and still about 20 activities per day.
Hi, my name is Matt Schuring. I am the science teacher for the Erie Cyber program in middle school. I'm also responsible for homeroom and the letters in the alphabet S through Z with your last name. This is my 14th year teaching. I'm very excited to welcome you all to our Erie Cyber program. I would also like to share with you our incentive program we have for middle school students. Each week we will be recognizing the top 3 activity earners. So those students who complete the most activities in that calendar week will be recognized. And at the end of the month we will have a prize for the student who is furthest along in the program.
Hello, my name is Mr. Dobachow. I'm the ELA Cyber teacher for 6th through 8th in the Erie School District. If you need to contact me, my email is rdobachow@eriesc.org, or you can simply go through Ed to do that. If you want to give me a call, my phone number is area code 814-874-6450. Ask for extension 1036. We're here to help you, so give us a call.
If we notice that you are struggling in a course, we will reach out to you to set up a Zoom meeting.
Here in the middle school cyber program, we have dedicated dates and times for our Zoom meetings. They are separated by grade level. On Tuesday is 6th grade, Wednesday is 7th grade, and Thursday is 8th grade. At 11 o'clock will be your science Zoom meeting. At 12:30 will be your language arts. At 1 o'clock is your social studies or career exploration. And at 1:30 is your math Zoom meeting. These are there if you need to come in and ask us any specific questions or have any needs or concerns about the program. We're also available at other times per request, so please just let us know, and we're here to help you.
Hello, my name is Mr. Ushinsky, and I am the 6 through 12 Health and PE cyber teacher for the Edgenuity program that we have here at Emerson Gridley.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Morell. I work with 6 to 12 cyber. I help with the art history program online, as well as everything that's related to art education. If you have any questions, please reach me.